श्रीमान हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला जी।
Sir, Vanakkam, I rise to address a challenge that is fundamental to the social contract we share with every citizen of India, the delicate and increasingly urgent need for a comprehensive strategy of human-wildlife coexistence, where the development and safety of our citizens and the protection of our national heritage must find a unified, resilient path forward. As a nation that now leads the world in biodiversity conservation and hosts the Big Cat Alliance, our ability to balance this path will be a benchmark by which our journey towards Viksit Bharat is judged. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has so eloquently reminded us, for ages, conservation of wildlife and habitats has been a part of the cultural ethos of India, which encourages compassion and coexistence. Our traditions, our ancient texts, and our very way of life have always taught us to revere the earth and live in harmony with nature. We must ensure that our progress addresses the cost of our ecological heritage. The tragic incident in Assam last December, where we lost 7 of our majestic elephants to a speeding train, was a heartbreaking reminder that development should not become a lethal barrier for the Gajaraj whom our communities have revered for centuries. Honorable Sir, the path forward has already been illuminated by the Kaziranga Model. In January, the Prime Minister laid the foundation for an elevated corridor that uses innovative engineering to restore traditional migration routes. This is the future, infrastructure that is not just efficient but empathetic. As our Environment Minister recently conveyed on the floor of this House, we have achieved historic milestones of satellite tagging of the Ganges River dolphin and the Brahmaputra, the first ever DNA-based census of our elephant population, initiatives aimed at protecting the great Indian bustard, gharial and sloth bear, as well as the translocation of the cheetah. This is the democratization of technology in action, using data to bridge the divide between development and conservation. I therefore propose the following 3 initiatives: special zones in our most sensitive corridors within which wildlife-sensitive engineering should be considered as a mandate in the implementation of developmental projects. Second, the creation of local conservation councils with the assistance of biodiversity management committees and gram panchayats to institutionalize the role of our indigenous communities in our inclusive conservation efforts. Third, Kaziranga AI-enabled intrusion detection system installed in all trains that pass through elephant migration routes, especially in North Bengal and Assam. In the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, let us demonstrate to the world that India's green frontier is the global gold standard for a future where humanity and nature flourish together. Prakriti Rakshati Rakshita. Thank you, Mr. President.